Hi everyone. Welcome to Adya AI. We are building a suite of AI products designed to transform how businesses operate. Today I'm excited to introduce one of our key innovations, the AI SDR agent. This AI solution is built to automate core tasks usually handled by human SDRs like prospecting, outreach and lead qualification. By doing so, it frees up human representatives to focus more on strategic conversations and decision-making. Now let me walk you through how it works. We start by gathering customer data which can come from a variety of sources such as CRM integrations, API scraping tools, manual upload and CSV files. Once the data is uploaded into the system, user can apply a filter prompt for customization of customer data according to their needs. For example, a user might say, I want customer based in New York. Based on the prompt, the AI filters and generate a targeted customer list. Once these customers are identified, our system scrapes multiple platforms to collect additional information, giving us a richer, more detailed view of each lead. With the enriched data in place, we move into lead scoring, an AI-driven process that ranks each lead on quality and relevances. The leads will become recipients. These are the persons we will be reaching out to. Now we move into personalization outreach. We have built both Email Studio and Voice Studio. In the Email Studio, user can create their own custom email styles. They will choose the type of email that they wanted to create, example, cold email, follow-up email, and something else. By providing the relevant information such as pain points, value propositions and CTAs, the AI generated a preview email. If the user isn't satisfied, they can refine it by providing their custom system prompt by referring to the first version. Similarly, in the Voice Studio, the voice agent design, the voice agent should speak. They can specify the tone, what agent should say, the desired call to action, and even upload PDF or other documents that the agent can use as a context when speaking with the customers. Now once the emails and voice styles are crafted, they can be used in two ways, campaigns and sequences. With campaigns, user can create a campaign, then add recipient and assign them to either email templates or voice template. They can preview, edit and directly send those emails and voices to the leads. On the other hand, sequences allow more structural workflow use. User can define step-by-step outreach flows. Each step can be automated or manually triggered. These steps can include personalized emails, voice interactions, or both. This makes it easy to build complex outreach journeys without losing the human touch. So in summary, an AI SDR agent brings together data integration, enrichment, intelligence, scoring and personalization outreach across email and voices all within a single platform. It's designed to save time, increase engagement, and make your outreach smarter and more efficient.